Buongiorno. It's Mr. Capalbo, Chef Capalbo. I have returned. Okay, so we took the pizza out of the oven, which we cooked it at 400 because our oven is very special. It likes to overcook everything. It would prefer to have been at 425. Not good here. Would have burnt pizza. We are going to make it the same way they make it in Chicago in 1947. We're going to cut it into squares. Now, I'm letting the pizza rest. Look at this. Doesn't that look almost delicious? I mean, I'm not sure how to explain it. It's a pepperoni with a little cups in it, so the grease is gooey and yummy. And then you have a sausage, spicy Italian sausage in there somewhere. Like right there along the edges, it looks like volcanic rock. And then the crust, I don't get that. You want an Italian pizza. Well, when I eat a pizza, I want something to hang on to. I don't want to fire in the flavor. I want it to taste good. But this is their style. Is a pan crust or thin crust. We see. All right, I need to put a glove on here. Or this, maybe this will work. Yeah, we have to find a way to put the camera up. All right. You can't see it that well, but you can hear it. Oh, no wonder. Okay, I see. All right, we need to bring you up to speed. Okay, maybe we try a straw. Raise it up here a little. No? We're going to try a little higher. There, you can see the pizza now. Okay. You have to have a very sharp pizza cutter knife. Oh yeah, ouch, it's very sharp. You want to lay this at the edge of the pan so you don't burn yourself. It's a hard crust, okay? I don't prefer the hard crust. I prefer a soft crust. And they go to the refrigerator to make noise. Now we cut. The good thing about this pizza is it goes all the way to the edge of the pan, which is very good because, some pizzas you get them from the grocery store and they just don't work. They just, they don't work. They're too short. I don't want to eat a short pizza. I'm sure you don't want to eat a short pizza. It's also very, very fucking hot. Okay. So we cut that. We had already let it rest for 2 minutes. Now we're going to cut it. But first of all, before I go any farther, I will show you how far I cut it. I didn't cut the cheese, I cut the pizza. See the lines in there? You'll have lines running this way. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. That should give me 15 slices of pizza. Now I'm going to turn it and I'm going to cut it the other way. And we'll have more pizza. My hand's in the way. Turning the pizza is the hard part because the pan here is wobbly. Like wobbly. Alright. We gotta get a grip on it. we got the grip. We got the grip. Yes, we got the grip. I sound like the Alexander who's doing painting. It's not working. It doesn't want to stay in one place. It's very hot. I don't want to touch and cut my hand or burn my hand. I'll do one more. This is a very short stack. There. It's falling off, you see? It's no good. We want it back on the pan. Back on the pan. So there you have it. This cut is just like I said on the box. You're going to have the premium square cut pizza. You can see it. Looks good. Actually does look like it has some sauce. We need a plate. I like to have my food on a very fancy plate. Yes, no. Since we're using square pizza, we'll use our fancy knife. And we'll get ourselves some pizza here. And of course, it is not cut all the way through. Now we try it. That's much better. Still not resting. It's very, very chewy, which doesn't sound like a good pizza to me already. So if I'm giving it rating for cutting, it sucks. Yes, you heard me correctly. It sucks. It should cut very nicely. I kept it in just the right amount. Time. You need a saw to cut it, so we try it again. Take a baby slice. And a quarter slice. Okay. We have enough pieces there to fill my belly and probably more. Now I know what you're thinking. What are you going to do? Are you going to try that? Yes, I'm going to try that. So, I'm going to go for the baby pizza. Little baby slice. Honest truth, I do not like a pastry crust. I want a crust that tastes like dough, like pizza. Flavor, it stinks. I will not get this pizza again. But that's what happens. On a rating of 1 to 10, 1 being, oh, mamma mia. And 10 being, oh, God, really? Get a job. Go get yourself a real job. Is a 5. I had to try it. It's not worth $7.89. But what you going to do? I had to give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button at the bottom. The one with the arrow that says subscribe. Maybe it's on this side. And if it's not on there, if you're using mobile unit, phone, look down in the YouTube there. It's Magic Mitch Arts. And you go ahead and subscribe there where it says subscribe. Have a great day and buon appetente. I don't know what that means. Ciao.